This is going to be another PhotoReactive magic shirt. This is a regular 100% cotton t-shirt. It has not been soaked in soda ash since we're going to do a step before the dye. And it's just been washed to remove any sizing from the factory. And we're just going to make a scrunch pattern. And it just needs to be loose. Normally when I do a scrunch it's compact and really tight. And that's not the best option for this. So I'm going to slowly bring this in. And I really don't like working with dry shirts. But the other alternative is several hours drying it after I do this step in order to put the, what are we calling it, magic paint onto it. And I don't want to wait. So let's see what I can accomplish here. Alright, so it is, like I said, just a simple, very loose scrunch. And off to the next step. So I saved you the boredom of watching me mix up the magic PhotoReactive pigment again, like the previous video. So everything's already mixed up, and it's mixed up in the same jacquard airbrush color base. And time to start spraying it on. I'm not going to use any specific pattern. I'm basically going to go wherever I feel like, kind of like doing ice dye and just dropping the dye wherever. I am going to overlap some spots, heavier in some, lighter in the other, just so we can see what the results are going to be. So let's go ahead and start applying color. Alright, so this is what we're left with. The last one that I layered was the clear that turns into yellow. Since the yellow turns into red, and the pinkish turns into mauve, and the blue turns into violet. So I will still have yellow after the fact, and I also tried to use it to get into some nooks and crannies where nothing else went. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the dehydrator just for heat and no humidity. Let it sit at probably around 120 degrees for about 2 hours. Should take care of it. Dry it out completely, and then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, for this one we're going to be ice dyeing the back, and it's a combination of Custom Colors dark black and Dharma's cerulean blue. Alright, I'll let that one sit for about 18 hours and then we'll do the washout. It's been about 18 hours, so let's do the washout. Alright, let's take a look. Looks like that one dyed all the way through, so I'm not sure you can even see any of the initial paint. I guess we'll see what happens when it's finished. Alright, as you can see on this one, and pardon the road noise, this one did not work out. I mean, there's a few little spots where you can see the paint, but everything else, the dye completely overwhelmed it. So this one was not a success.